Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sync with device settings on your account on Discord on accessibility settings, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now here click accessibility, and here you will find sync with device settings. Click like this and this will be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on sync with device settings on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.